Nagasiya sa afternoon teleserye ang Babawiin Ko Ang Lahat. Sayranta ang iyang pagpangandam alang niini ug ang mga hagit usab niya. With us this morning, Kapuso actress Pauline Mendoza. Maayong buntag, Pauline. We're so happy to have you here sa GMA Regional TV Live.
Hello, maayong buntag sa inyong lahat.
How have you been, Pauline? How was the first 2 months of your year ngayong 2021?
I'm doing good. This past few days, medyo naging busy lang din kasi sinasabayan ng school works din yung taping. So, I'm doing online classes now. So, yeah.
It's been a very busy year for you, ha? Ngayong umpisa pa lang ng 2021. Kaya naman, congratulations sa first teleserye, lead role mo.
Thank you.
How do you feel about this milestone sa acting career mo?
I'm really grateful for GMA talaga, for GMA Artist Center, to my manager, even my handler, and to everyone who believed in me talaga and who has given me this kind of opportunity. And, I'm really, really thankful. And I'm just grateful talaga kasi sinusuportahan talaga ako ng GMA. Hindi nila pinapabayaan yung career ko. And, they're helping me to reach my dreams. So, I'm really, really grateful for that.
And given that this is the biggest break given to you, how did you prepare yourself, Pauline, para magampanan mo ng mahusay itong character mo dito sa Babawiin Ko Ang Lahat?
Well, I never stopped educating myself in acting. Talagang patuloy pa rin talaga ako dumaan ng workshop. I wanted to educate myself when it comes to my craft. So, talagang for the past 4 years of me being here in the industry, talagang hindi ako nag-stop ng acting workshop. And sa set naman, whenever I'm on the set, I make sure that I'm focused. Talagang I listen to my director, to Direct Jules, to Direct Pam. I also listen to my co-actors. Sila Miss Nina, sila Kuya John Estrada. I listen to everybody.
Pero Pauline, without giving everything away, saan ba iikot ang storya ng Babawiin Ko Ang Lahat?
Ang storya ng Babawiin Ko Ang Lahat, it's about a family. Ako si Iris Salvador. Marami kaming pagdadaanan kasi magkakaroon ng maraming twists na meron palang isang pamilya pa yung dad ko, which is played by Kuya John Estrada. And then kami, yung isa pa niyang pamilya. So doon iikot yung kwento kung sino ba talaga yung pamilya, kung sino ba talaga may karapatan doon sa dad ko, kung sino bang may karapatan sa, let's say, I'm not saying it yaman, but everything that my family has.
Ikaw ba, Pauline, masasabi mo that you have similarities with your character dito bilang si Iris Salvador?
Yes, we have similarities ni Iris Salvador kasi si Iris Salvador, mapagmahal siyang anak. Very caring, very loving siyang anak sa pamilya niya, sa kaibigan niya, sa lahat ng tao.
Pero ngayon, this time, pag-usapan natin kasi during the last part of 2020, nakapag-lock-in taping kayo, di ba? Was it hard to tape under the new normal, Pauline? But at the same time, ano din yung mga memorable experiences mo about it?
For me, to be honest, it's really hard na ngayong may pandemic, yung bagong rules ng lock-in taping, itong lock-in taping. Kasi nung first day namin, talagang lahat kami nahirapan kaming mag-adjust. Kasi kailangan lagi kang naka-mask, lagi kang naka-face shield, and then, marami kaming iniisip dyan sa lock-in taping kasi wala kaming mga assistant. So, unlike the regular nung wala pang pandemic, meron kaming mga assistant to help us, to guide us sa mga gamit. So, this lock-in taping, talagang wala. Kami-kami lang, kanya-kanya. But, I'm happy to share that, we get to bond with each other talaga eh. Kasi sa location namin, walang signal. So we are forced to bond with each other. So we, nakilala namin yung isa't isa.
And this time, we're all eager talaga to watch you shine dito sa Babawiin Ko Ang Lahat, Pauline. So please invite everyone na abangan ito sa Afternoon Prime.
Hello mga kapuso, sana po panoorin at suportahan nyo ang Babawiin Ko Ang Lahat. Malapit na po yan sa GMA Afternoon Prime. God bless po.
And God bless you din, Pauline. Thank you so much for spending your morning with us.
Thank you.